Good morning from Germany. It is super cold this morning. As you can see, we have frost on the windscreen. It's actually a super beautiful day outside though. For a winter's morning, we have blue skies. So let's see what the temperature is this morning. Okay, so it's -1 degree right now. I think that's the coldest night that we have had in our van. And unfortunately, our diesel heater stopped working in the past 3 days. We think it's the fuel pump. So that's been fun, just battling the cold every night. But we've found once we do our cooking, the van's generally pretty warm. Once we're in bed, our body heat's warm enough throughout the night and into the morning. It's just waking up in the morning's the hard part. Going to warm up this car, turn the heaters on, warm up our space a little bit, and then we are going to hit the road. So today we are going to be back in Hamburg and reunited with Mary's dad and also dog. So a super exciting day. A little bit of ice on the window. Just a little bit. Maybe 1 degree, but it is sunny outside. Hey, Sonny. Hi. First day back and you already want to go for walks. You want to go for a walk? Okay. Deutschland. Day 1 in Hamburg, Germany. We have already been to the bakery. Yeah.
Hi, welcome to Germany. It's never warm and the sun comes never out. Goodbye, come, let's make some coffee.
Hey Sunny, good work. So we are back in Hamburg. We have just started cleaning out the van. We're doing the washing, we're doing the drying. So we just pulled the surfboards out, checked them for damages, which unfortunately I found a little ding on one of the boards, but that's okay, we can get that fixed. But yeah, currently packing up the surfboards. The sad realization that the next time I'm going to be surfing these is, fingers crossed, next year sometime. We don't know, but we will see. See you in Australia. Welcome to Christmas in Germany. Absolute scenes out here. Hundreds of people for the tractor festival, for the tractor parade. Incredible. Merry Christmas. So a little recap, we just got home. That not circus, that Christmas parade, tractor parade. Yeah, it was literally on the corner. All of Europe just has such incredible Christmas celebrations, like the parades, the lights, like the Christmas markets. It's super nice. But yeah, cool experience.
I love Christmas in Germany.
Mary loves Christmas in Germany. Same.